Good morning, besties. It's 6:30 a.m. and I want to tell you kind of what's going on today. In the calendar, you may have noticed at the top of Skool that it's telling you that there's a meeting happening today. This is a workshop. I used to give a workshop once a week until my accident, and now it's been a year and I've finally gotten to a place where I feel like I can hold a workshop. So I've been studying mindset, and I have some tools I want to walk you through. And a workshop is you're doing during the meeting, so you're learning about yourself and how to improve your mindset so you can get through the hard things, and so you can have an outlook that will help you through these habit changes. Now, this is part of the premium membership, and I've set that at $12. And this $12 is a couple of drinks a month that you don't buy, or a subscription that you don't use. And it gets you into the workshops, which are recorded and put into this, and will be put into the mindset classroom. And you would get the PDF for my balanced plate planner, which teaches you how to cook with what you have, maybe out of your garden or seasonal, and cook without a recipe, or prepare meals you don't actually have to cook. So there's that, and you also get access to the simple meals if you don't have access to that already. Also, I've been writing a book, and I'm excited about this. This is a story about Sally, who goes through the Best Me program through what we're doing here. And I am using AI to help me write this, but I'm taking from the previous month that we had. So the things in the story for the chapter on mindset will be familiar to you, because you've been hearing these things talked about, and it takes your comments and the things that you're going through and helps write the chapter. So it's kind of fun. So that's in this premium membership as well. So I just wanted you to be aware of what this premium is. And I wrote some notes here. Let's see if there's anything that I am missing. Takes you week by week through the habits. Just maybe those who've been in the workshops before, I held them for years, and you become more of a family. We're able to come in and talk and have this immersive experience together. And the Japanese, they have something that they've been doing for a long time that's kind of morphed over the years, but they used to have a core group of people that they would get together with daily, and they would support each other. So if one person had more money and one person was going through a really hard time, the person with the money would help that person who's having a rough time. And now it's more of a gathering together for their social, and they call it a moai. And so when I think of the workshop time, the gathering time, I think of it as a moai that we can all belong to. And so I invite you to come do that with us. And if that is not your thing, that's okay. We've got a lot of stuff going on in the free group, and we'll continue to have that. And I hope to see you there.